Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Praveen and you are watching Techie Praveen. So basically in this video we are going to see a very fabulous animation, that is Tinder card swipe animation like this. So you can swipe this image to left or right like Tinder. So let's see how to create this animation in Flutter. So I have created a new Flutter project and this is my basic code. So I'm just going to show you my pubset.yml. So I have added a certain dependency to my pubset.yml, that is Flutter Tinder card animation, and this is the version. And I have also added the Cupertino icons. And I have created one folder, that is image, and I have added 5 to 6 images on my images folder. Like this, I have 6 images on my images folder. So this is my main.art. I have imported the Cupertino.art, imported the material.art, and imported the Tinder card.art. Basically, these Tinder card.art helps me to create a Tinder card animation. And now this is basically basic code that was given by my VS Code whenever you have created a new Flutter project. So I'm just going to create a stateful widget, the name of Tinder animation. Correct. So now I'm going to create a list. So basically I'm just going to create a list of all the images I have that I want to show as my swiping card. So it will be a string, and that will be the name of images, card images. I think that should be enough. Okay, and now I have to give all the name of the images. So images, comma, nc dot jpg, and I have to give the comma, and the image is showing here actually. So there is no need to create or click to see the complete image. So I'm copying this 6 times because I have 6 images. If you want, you can create a number of lists. The first image is Nancy. Second, I have to give the Megan2 dot jpj, and then I'm going to give ssg dot jpj, and then nh dot jpj, 2 dot jpj, and 5 dot jpg. Correct. So through this I have created a list of images that I want to call, and now here I have ticket provided state maximum, and now I have to it will return iScaffold, and I have to define card controller, that is controller, and it will use this to trigger the swapping images. Actually, I'm going to use this to swap the images in our animation, and then that is I have to give the background color. So colors dot black, because I want my background color as a black color, and now I'm giving up the app bar, and app bar fine. So I have to make my text and all of my app bar into center. So that is center tile should be true, because I want my text to be in center of the app bar. And now I have to give the background color. So I'm just going to give the color as white, and now I'm going to give the title of the app bar. The title will be Tinder only. So if you want, you can also put the symbol of Tinder or any other icon as well. So Tinder, I have to give the style. So it will be textile. So I'm going to give a color. So by default the color of Tinder is red accent, or if you want you can choose any color as you like. So I'm going to choose only red accent. Okay, just give me a second. What is the problem? Okay, fine, no issues. If you want you can also give a font weight and font size. So I'm just going to give the font size 25, and I want to make this as a bold. So font weight dot bold. Fine. Now I have to create a body. So yes, body. Sorry, body. Give me a second. So it should be outside of app art actually. Body, right? Okay. So in this body, I have to give one container, and I have to define the size of the container as well. So the size will be as the height of the container is media. It should be media query. That is media query dot of context. Context, and size will be size dot height. It should be approx 0.7 I think. And now child, and in child I have to define Tinder swipe card. Orientation of this will be orientation goes to a mass orientation dot bottom, and then I have total num goes to 6 because I have 6 cards. If you want you can increase it. And stack number, sorry, stack number will be 4. And basically this stack number means how many images or how many images you want to show behind your image. Like if I'm talking about what is stack, so you can see there's 3 or 4 images you are seeing. You are able to see behind this front image. So this is called a stack. So I have given number 4 so that it will show the 4 images behind the front image. And then swipe edge will be 4.0. Perfect. And I have to give the maximum and minimum breadth and height of this. So media query dot off, and I have to pass the context and size dot width divided by 0.9. I hope it should be correct. And maximum height also be the same. Media query dot off context dot size goes to width, because I want a square. So I'm just going to give the height and width would be same because I want a square image. And I have to give the minimum height and minimum height and minimum width. I'm just going to copy it, paste it, and give the 0.8 and minimum height. So this would be 0.8. Perfect. There will be no issue. And now I have to define card builder here. So card builder, and card builder should be provide context. Card builder context, and it should be provide the index as well. And now I have to make a fat arrow card, and inside the card I have to create a child, and child image should be asset image dot asset. And now I have to define my array and how to call that image from my list. So it should be dollar, and should be like this color, and my the name of my array, my list is card image. So I put my card image like this, and I have to call this by using the index number, and now this. Perfect. So what is going to do? It will give me the image by using the index, means one by one, and now I have to give card controller and equals to card controller, and now I have to give a swipe update callback. So it will help me to update the swipe basically. Drag update, drag up details, drag update details, comma alignment should be, it should be aligned, align, and perfect. And now I have to give the alignment of align actually basically. So align dot x axis. So now I am giving the if and else condition of moving the card basically. F else F align dot x basically O, and it should be else if. Yes, perfect. And now I have to give swipe complete callback, and this should be card swipe orientation, and now I have to give swipe orientation, comma integer index. Give me a second. For swipe complete callback is card swipe orientation integer index. Okay. So I have to give one parenthesis now. Now it's working fine. So I hope my code is completed. So I'm just going to install the build, and it will take some seconds to install it. So let me check whether my build is installed or not. Okay, so now I hope yes. So my build is installed, and this is my final output. So she looks beautiful. See, her name is Nancy Momoland, and this is my animation. You can swipe it right and swipe it left. So you can do not swipe it up and down actually. So you can swipe, you can left. Okay, they leave a white image. Let me check what is the fault. Otherwise, the animation looks fine. So let me check what is the problem. My third image is having an issue. So third image is SSD. So okay, that is SDD, and I think I have written SSD. Okay, so I had to reload the animation, reload the build, and it should be working fine. It should work fine. So let me check. Yes. So I have swipe left, swipe right. Yes, I have got my third image as well. So it's all working fine, and This is my final output. So if you want, you can also decorate this animation, like you can put Tinder icon on the app bar. You can also put the bottom navigation menu, and you can also put some buttons over here, so you can cross it, or you can like it, or you can dislike some images like Tinder have. So I hope you like the video and you like the animation. If you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel and like and share it as much as you can. And if you do not following me on my social media account, please follow me on my social media account, link in the description. And if you are facing any issue, please give me the problem in the comment section. Thank you.